What is up guys, Then at this site. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable RDP, which is the remote desktop Windows in Windows feature. So first you need to press the Windows key and then you need to head over to the settings, and after clicking on settings you just need to click on display. As you can see, this is my display option. I'll just simply click on it, and after clicking on display you just need to scroll down a bit, and then you just simply need to click on multiple displays, and after that from here, if you have any another display turned on, so you just simply need to click on detect other display, or if you want to connect a wireless display, click on connect the wireless display and then click on connect, and then this will find the wireless available device to connect, and when the name appears simply click on that and then it will connect your wireless display. So this is how you can connect RDP to your Windows 10. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.